Let's start up the 7510 machine. First, we turn it on. Take a look at our controller here. It has a power switch. Let's press it. We need to wait for a moment. Now, in the main menu, the first thing we need to do is select a user. Did you get the prompt? That means you haven't selected the super user. Let's enter today's highest level password right now for our access. 4N5. Okay, the key hasn't been turned on yet. Now, after confirming, if your key isn't on, let's turn the key. Turn it. Now, with this, the machine has been powered on successfully. Let's run a test. We select this option, and if we have other information, we can just choose that directly. All right, let's test it first. Let's take a look at the print result. As for the focal length, since we're using a 420 lens, for the 420 lens, our focal length is 500. A 500 millimeter focal length. All right, now that we've powered on to shut down, the first thing we need to do is stop the operation. First, let's turn off the key here. Then press this power button. Wait for about 5 seconds. All right. The machine is now shut down.